morning, good afternoon, good evening, Cloudies. Welcome to the stream. I'm Frank Boucher, your host, and for the next 2 hours, we'll be having fun together. Today's Friday, at least for me. I don't know for you when you're watching, if you're watching it like in video on demand, but like for people in the chat, we have like Michael, TBD Gamer, we have Fragbird already there. Welcome. So today we will be working on the cloudbot, chatbot, Twitch chatbot and JavaScript, learning, having fun, because I don't know Node, so I'm learning it, and hopefully I'm bringing you with me, learning some stuff, you know, in the back of your mind. Yeah, in that game where Fragbird is winning so often. But that's the game of the day. I didn't start the project yet, so I could do that right now. Though, there's one thing I want to do before we do that. So, let's go in half and half. Just before we start the project. I think today is the time for a reset. So there's no project. Let's remove all the users session. And just do this. So we'll do start cloudbot. Should I have started a project now? And if I do stop cloudbot, then it should be it's rigged. Come on, Fragbird, like you were like straight line. I hate this game. I promise. Can I promise that? Is it a promise? I will. How do you say? Keep a promise, or hold a promise? I will do a game eventually for the stream. I think. I want to. Let's put it that way. I want to. So today we are the cloudbot. So close. You have 2 hours to got it, and it's new scores today. So as soon as you fall on it, you got a new scores. Okay, so today, yeah, what's the status? What we were trying to do? Let's go full. Nope, this one. Let's go full screen in the board. I think in progress. Sound suggestion still open. Need a name. Okay. Build node generator. We did that. We add a bunch of stuff, right? Raid, sub, resub, host, cheer. Yeah, we had a bunch of stuff. So, today we could be working on the notes. But to help me generate the timestamp. Because what I'm trying. Oh, I don't need that project. Because what I'm trying to do, in fact, is generate that file. That's the file for every stream I do. And by the way, we are at stream 124 today. It's kind of impressive. I feel like I start like 2 months ago, but like it's not 2 months because 124 stream in 2 months. I would be worried for my mental health. But yeah, so in like that's the file I'm trying to generate, and I push that in GitHub and everything. So I would like to have some kind of timestamp or notes. I would like to be able to add some reference or notes. Maybe I could add notes. That would be easy, just like notes, and then like we could do that. That could be nice. So let's see what we had in the tool. So like I'm trying to do that. So let's see what we have right now. So just put that file, that thing, the purple one is a stream project. So in the cloudbot, oh yeah, another thing I would like to do is make the toaster bigger. Okay, so let's add those. So to do stats, yeah, and after that I will need to have like all those things that Shirley Dev added. Was it Shirley Dev? I think it was Shirley Dev. Yeah, it was Shirley Dev. Yeah, so I want to make the I want to do that. So then new follower, new subscriber, cheer, current project, that's all done. But now we need to write it in a interesting format. Like not everything will be perfect, I think. But we need to check. So at the end, oh, I'm wearing a not this side. I'm wearing a 3B t-shirt today. I received his package right at my birthday. It was good timing, even if he did it. I doesn't know. So yeah, pretty cool. So full screen. Yeah. Okay. So. Stream start, stream stop. So when we do a stream stop, it's save to file. It that t-shirt is a lie on you. Like I'm getting there, you know, level 1. Level 1. But it's very, very comfy. I don't know the material, but it's very, very comfy. I was not wearing him today because I have some recording and like official recording to do today. So I had another t-shirt, and then I was like, yeah, no, let's wear that. That would be funny. And like, you know, doing some ads for another channel on your channel. Like at least he didn't put his Twitch account here, right? You know, like how he is, right? Always like pushing. Yeah, right. Okay, so when we do, is it big enough? Let's go big. Let's go big. So stream notes. So when I do the stop command, we'll save to file, and then it will generate the notes. Then save to file. So let's examine what's in there, and today we will improve that. So let's today the goal is make something noise with boom branding. Yeah, no, like his logo is pretty cool. So stream notes. So stream notes, and then generate project info, and then so generate project info. This is here. Just say okay, this is the project. All the info is I go check this. Like, and very stupidly I just put that for now. I think eventually what I would like to have is some kind of like bunch of definition of project. and then I could go fetch and have more information into it. But for now, when I'm working on a project, so chatbot, it's exactly the name of this thing here. So, was it 150? It's kind of big, 150. So yeah, so like the URL will match, but you know, like it's not perfect right now. Cool. So now, and it's just returning that. So after that, it will generate the new followers sections. So I think that was already working. Can I? I'm not sure if I simulate a new follow, if the bot is trapping it. I don't think so, because nothing is written in the chat. Like the Streamlabs. Because I'm not, like, I'm using other stuff to pull, right? So, oh, maybe I could. If I... New project. Not print. I don't know why I always do that. Can I do was it, it's underscore stream session? New followers. Yeah, I don't have any. So I cannot fake it. Oh yeah, that only tests the widget. Can I do this? Yeah, cool. So now if I do it again, cool. So I have a new follower now. Okay, so we have that. So that's cool. So note, we could add notes. Project is empty though. Why project is empty? Something didn't work again. Damn it. Oh, because I did start this instance after that one, so the events are not synchronized. Oh, and that could be a problem then. If I do, oh, maybe that's why I was having issues. I had two bots running and one was overriding the other one. Ah, cool. So I should check, so when I'm writing the file, I should check if it exists, and then if it is, instead of overriding, I should like add like a number or something, right? Yeah, let's do that. So stream stop, save to file, and then save note to file. So let's find this function. Where is it? Here. Right. And I'm sending that to the server side. And what was the function? I didn't even look. Is stream notes? No. Project? What's the... Oh, gen stream notes. Okay. So let's go here. So here we'll need to check if the file already exists and then kind of loop through. So I could have a function could I just have like sorry, it's under the oh, that was TBD though, right? So close. Fragbird, where is Fragbird? Both of us? Okay, you are on top of it? Or next to each other? So I think I want this.
Yay!
6. Like, you're the first one to land today, so it's good. No, I think I won't do that. So I will do a test. Maybe I'll... Okay, what I want to know is the file exist. File exists path. That should be easy. What I need to do is some kind of loop, right? Why it's so complicated? I just want to create a unique file. I should add, you know what, I think I will just add like the hour, minute, second. I think I will do that for now. Like, I think I think it's easier. You know. That format. Exactly. Boom. Hey, thank you for the follower, user 0000010 or user 10. Welcome aboard. Let's do this. New follower. Thank you for following. Welcome aboard. We're just having fun. How to format UTC date into blah blah blah. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, maybe user 2. You're right. Could be. There. Now it should be unique.
Bonjour. Hi.
Bonjour, hi, GT Sam. Welcome aboard. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so now we should have a unique name. Though for that, I will need to restart the bot. And I think I didn't start it. Ah, cool, I did. It's here, sorry. Let's move this mouse. What are you doing, mouse? Come on. I lost a bunch of stuff. Okay, there it is. Want to move to desktop 1. So it's running. So if I do this, put it in the corner. All right. Oh no, it won't work because both are working. Okay, let's do a mistake here. So it's not connected. If I do stop. Node saved. Cool. Hello, Marky Polo. How are you? Thank you for the following, by the way. Let's take note of that. So welcome to the new follower. That's cool. New people, new friends. Welcome aboard. We're just having fun today. It's a chill stream. I'm learning Node.js, building a chatbot. I'm using Config.js. That was things that it does. It keeps tracks of the game drop. Favorite game of Fragbird here in the chat and TBD Gamer because they are champs at it. Play the game, you just type drop in the chatbot or drop with an emote and you try to land on the target. If you do, the chatbot like CB will keep track of your scores and you could ask what's your stats by doing !stats. And also what we want is I'm keeping track of a bunch of information at each see celebration. And Fragbird, come on Fragbird, 98, right?
Yay!
Impressive. So every stream, and the game was not before, like, don't think I create that game. It's a game from InstaFluff, and so it's Pixel Dev, a team, great teams of developers. I'm just having fun with it. So the chatbot keep track of that, and I want also it to generate this stream node. So at every stream, I keep track of the winner, the scores, like the current project. Try to do timestamps, so when I publish on YouTube the archive, you have like a nice timeline and stuff like that. So you know, just I want a little bit of help, and the bot will do a bunch of stuff for us. The project is in GitHub, so this way Fragbird could, you know, take it and run it on Amazon or something like that. And yeah. So let's see the result. So we have our file. Oh yeah, he put the dates in the front. Oh, that's fine. And nothing was there. Okay, so we had the project, cool, blah blah blah, network, new followers. The new followers were there, so we have 3 new followers. I don't know why they were written twice though. Let's check that. And cool. Marky Polo, you said. I'm actually frustrated, so you must be like right now. Actually, at this moment. Sorry, I'm making fun of you. I'm the first one typing a bunch of stuff. I'm doing Firebase, where we have a hackathon going on. Oh, and I'm frustrated on how to display data on HTML with Django. Sorry, no. I speak French, so you can imagine I do all kind of typo, and like the streamer who try to read my email, my message, it's a brain exercise for them all the time, every time I stream. Not that I stream, but I chat, so don't worry about typos. Though I cannot help you because I saw a glimpse of Django recently. I'm pretty sure I don't pronounce correctly because I was with Nina and we were deploying a Django application on Azure. But yeah, like in Firebase, I never really used it. I'm more Azure guy than anything else. It's been forever since I play on other cloud. Okay, so that's cool. So, oh yeah, okay, so it's a call. So now what we want is, sorry, I moved fast, huh? Generate project info, that was cool. So now we have the new followers. So the new followers section. Generate Cloudy's info. It was there twice. Yeah, I think all that should be here, I think. And not twice. Yeah, Firebase. I know it's that's a database, but isn't it the Google database? That's why I was mentioning the cloud. Yeah. Yeah. Like I know Firebase. I know what it is, but I just never used it. Did I? I don't think I did any project with Firebase. I may have a look at it. And Django is Python, right? But on Azure, it's very easy. Okay, so generate the new follower section, the rater section, the host section, the tier section. That's pretty cool. So if we delete this file, so project info, and then Cloudy's info. So I need also the I need the points. Won't I have the points section somewhere? The scores? To deploy on Python application on Azure, in Visual Studio, you just click. So I'm assuming you have Visual Studio. I hope you have Visual Studio because it's one of the best environments to deploy Python, based on what Nina told me. And I'm talking about Nina. I forgot her family name, but she's on board. She's on the board of Python, on Python board. And the other day, she was my guest on a stream on the Microsoft Developer channel. And she was telling me that, very honestly, she was happy because it happens that the tool that was the best to code Python was Visual Studio Code. You know, it's Microsoft, so she was like, yeah, it's pretty cool. So to deploy, you just need to have the Azure extension here. You click on that, and then App Service. You create a new one, create a new app service. When you create the app service, you specify you want to like Python, and I think it go up to Python 8. But I think we did Python 7.3 or something like that when I was with her. So you do a new app, and then you just click this little deploy, and you wait, and that's it. You will have an Azure and like an app running with that. 2 clicks. Yes, indeed. Let me check. I think I have some. Let me search my note. I think I may have like a quick tutorial for you. Kind of a step-by-step if you are in a hackathon. Because this episode is not yet, like the video on demand is not public yet. Well, I like it. Maybe it's still in the archive on Twitch, though. Like it will be long watching that. Let me check. So I had. So she was telling me that. Oh, see, boom. Deploy an app. No, yeah, but that's not Python. That would. Yeah, it's true. What was the example with Python? That you know already. Django. Ah, whoop. Using the container? Yeah, you don't need a container. Deploy app service on Linux. So you could do this one. Well, yeah, like it's super easy. Like I said, like you just, and it's like that with any kind of no problem. It's a pleasure. It's always the same thing. So like when you click the create, you just specify, you could do it PHP, .NET, whatever. You just specify your runtime, Linux, Windows, whatever you want. And you deploy. That's it. You could run it in a container if you prefer, but you don't need to. Python will work automatically. Like if you never had Azure subscription, you could do Cloud 5. I have a URL for you. Cloud5minute.ca/ I think it's AZ free. Yeah. Cloud5minute.ca/AZ free. And you could use your GitHub account or Microsoft account if you have one, and you'll have $200 for like, I think it's a period of 1 month, and you have some resources that will be free for one year. But like if you just need it for your hackathon, should be plenty enough. Plenty. I'm running on like less than, like I'm running for, I have a monthly subscription, or like I said, 200. Oh yeah, it's true, I didn't start my tool, but here like 12 months popular free services, 25 always free service, and 200, well, it depends on your money where you are. Okay, it might detect that I'm in Canada, so maybe for US it's 200. I'm assuming you are in US, you may be not in US. I just know I'm not. Philippines! Oh, excellent. So, are you a student? If you are a student, I have another URL. What is it? Is it a let me open that in an open my tool. It was free student. Oh, it's closed. So there it is. That's a link for students. So you have a subscription. So for the students, it's another one. Oh, it's probably in English, but switch it in French. Sorry, I generate that for French. To change it, you scroll down and just change the link in the bottom. Put it back in English, and it will be good. Yeah, so the offer is less, but it's pretty cool. To get started, it's plenty. Yeah, no problem. But, and if you have, I'm not sure if with the schools you have that. With schools you have a bunch of, like, you have an Office 365 account, you have a bunch of stuff from Microsoft if you're a student. Okay, so the Cloudies, in the Cloudies I should have your scores, and I was definitely not there. So where are the scores? So scores. So I want to reuse some kind like that, but instead DreamPack is a useful program for Microsoft. Is it DreamPack thing? Because I'm pretty sure for a student, like, you have a full suite, or like it's $5 and like you have all the apps and everything. Like it's cheaper for my daughter to have everything than me, who's a Microsoft employee. Like, you know, I mean like my own license. Like if I want my own at home, not like the one that Microsoft hosts and they force blah blah blah, and like, you know, like if I own my personal version, I got deals. Like, makes sense, right? You work somewhere, you always have like some kind of little discount, but it's cheaper for my daughter who's a student than from me. And I think it's okay. I think student is very important. And I'm working, so like I have money. So I'm not saying I'm rich, I'm saying I have money. Big difference.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, this is David. Welcome. You're earlier now. I think last stream you joined like just like 5 minutes before the end. Welcome aboard. Nice to see you. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. There's no obligation, right? It's not like, oh my god, I need to be there. If you can make it, I'm always happy to see friends. Generate cheers section. Let's add another section here. So let's do generate score sections, drop parachute sections. Yeah, let's do generate parachute section. Function. Cool. So the way it works in all the other section is oh yeah, I could test if I have any session. It's true. Okay. So let's keep it this. So I need to check how it's going. It's going okay. It was a up and down week, and today it's a big day. I have a lot of stuff to do, official stuff, like a big thing with a lot of exposure, but so it's a little bit stressful, a little bit. Read between lines a little bit. But it's the last day before my vacation, so it should be good. No, Michael, where you are not there, huh? When I explained how I fixed the problem, we are not doing that anymore. It was a problem, I forgot why. When I was trying to do stuff, like it was not working. So I went back to a global object, and it was the new. When we load, I was doing a new, and that was destroying everything. So instead what I did, I created a function called init that reinitialize all the collections instead, and that fixed the problem. Hey, welcome to the thanks for following ABC Pack. Very nice of you. I will add you to the new followers. Oh, I'm missing one. At least one, because I remember. Yeah, and I found that after the stream, I think after the stream I had like a bunch of meeting and stuff. No, like I didn't have a meeting. Like anyway, like I was eating and then I get, oh, maybe I should try to like remove the new. I did that and like it fixed everything. Like not everything, but that problem that we had where we were losing the stuff, and so I went back then to a global variable, and now it's working. So stream session, I need to go and I want to check the I miss so much the IntelliSense. It's incredible. So I want the user sessions. So if user sessions is greater than, so if anyone played, we could do that. So if that's the case, then we'll just call that parachute. Or maybe I should say I should call that user sessions then. No, it's like right now it's the parachute. It's like the section where I'm talking about parachute. Because I was thinking maybe eventually I could give you some stuff and it will, you know, I'll have a section for like, hey, like use this, did that, whatever, like found this solution or anything like that. So I could have like highlights of the heroes, the champs of the stream. But oops, parachute section. Oh, cool, David. So you're starting learning. Excellent. Well, that's nice. I think, Michael, that when I feel a bit more comfortable, or like I feel like the cloudbot is at a place where it's kind of functional, I think I will switch it to well, how it's called, TypeScript. And then I will have the IntelliSense and all that stuff. But it will still be JavaScript. I think. That's like... But right now I just... Should I say suffer in silence? Why this is var? Not sure why I use var. Oh, cool, in FreeCodeCam, that's cool. The E6 cam, that's pretty cool. So, I should have instead this when I'm talking about a user, right? Creating a link, but that's not cheer. Should be I. This is bad. Oh yeah, no, okay, it's a sorted user I. Like this. Like this. So I'm building, blang, 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 blang. I need to add a /n, it's already there. And when I'm done, I return. Oh, like all that need to be in the if, like this. Then when it's done, I return the parachute section. Otherwise, I return empty. Meeting time. See you later. See you later. Yeah. Cool. So now I have that. Do I call that section? I need to call it, right? So in the cloudies, definitely I should call it here, I think. So let's try it. If I do stop. Ah, cool, it created 2 files, excellent. So here I have, but it didn't use everything, that's cool. And here I have new follower, new follower. Still did it twice. One, two, three, four. Which one am I missing? Oh no, Bertrand was just that was me. New followers is good. Here at the session though, it's kind of wacky. I don't know. Yeah. Wasn't it 98 Fragbird? I thought you had 98. $93? Okay. So I could now remove Bertrand because I was not a new follower during the stream. So this is David is there. Okay, project was cloud, but start time. Did we have any start time? I don't think I do anything with that right now, so it's not a problem. could delete those two things. Save. So let's look again. So when I stop, I generate the notes. In generate notes, I do create project, cool, and then I have cloudy info. In cloudy info, I generate the new followers section. Yeah, okay, now it's just two. So I just need to restart to refresh the thing. That's the only thing. Apparently, yeah, no, it was dot something, but I thought it was 98. But in my screen, it's so tiny, right? And then it's the radar, the host, the cheer, the parachute. What I'm missing? The Raiders is there. Host is there. Cheer is there. Parachute now is also there. Hey, thanks for the subscription. Oh, that's on YouTube.
Yay!
Hey, this is David. You just landed and beat your score. This is awesome. So what I could do here, I will do. I wish I could refresh. That's a thing. Because now if I do it, I will do it at both places. I should run it in a different port and like be able to change that one and not destroy the other one. But I should be able to do a load. Not sure if we fixed everything in the load. Load from file. Yeah, the thing is, in load from file now, load session. So I'm loading the session. And if it's reload. Cool. Michael, you just land.
Yay!
See, now I really don't want to lose all your heck yes. Heck yes. So yeah, so the load is not loading everything right now. So let's move that to backup. So let's delete this. Now if I do save, it generates a new file. And this this is wrong. Like user session start and then like two times because I have it here and I have it like in the real one. They are using the same. I should have started. Oh, maybe, you know what? That's what I should do. I should in index here change the port. But if I do that, if I do that and I save, no, it won't work. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. So let's broke that one, so I only have one. And now if I do save, should have only one. And now it's working. Okay, I thought so, like it's because there's two. Okay. So that one is good. Like I'm saving all information. So now I could, if I do a load and load all the information, I could refresh the stream and try to do something else. So when I do a load, I need to reload all the event. So the new followers, the session are here, the new follower, I need to the raiders, subscribers, host, and one more, the cheers, cheerers. I feel like I'm saying Cheetos at this, like I read Cheetos at the same time. Cheerers. So I have this. Did I? And I need also to load like the project information, right? So I need to do this and then this dot project, project equal data project you know what, like I should do something like boom, and I should voila, much better. So this dot project semicolon start date time. Will that work? I don't know. Will that screw everything? Maybe. What if we don't try? We won't know. User sessions. We have it, right? Yes. User session is there. Okay, so now if I go here and go in property and refresh it. So now if I do score, I should have nothing. Yep, if I type the command correctly, it's nothing. Cool. Oh, we should have a common project also. That could be a good test, and it just like tell a little bit more about the project. I have projects, I think, but that's not by our bot. Yeah. Hey, thanks for the following. Finik Dev. Welcome aboard. Nice to see you. Oh yeah, but I will probably lose you though. Oh, interesting. I'll add you manually then. Finicky. Finicky dev. Finicky? 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 In French it sounds like finicky. In English should be finicky. Finicky. How make someone say your name 20 times in 2 seconds? Just go on Frank streams. C'est cela. Excellent. Okay, so now we did refresh. So let's try. Oh, that's why I had the file open, because I want to see the new file. So let's. Did we back it up? Oh, you know what? I could do this and add you right now in there. Boom. Right? Like this. Right? So now what we can try is to do a load. And now if I do stop, we have the new file, though the project didn't work. And we lost a lot of information. So there's some information that didn't work. Okay. So let's take our backup. So this is our backup. We'll load it back in here, save it. So let's go in here. When I load, do I need to pass? Oh yeah, I think I start to do that. Like I want to use the load from file, and I'm passing a parameter through. So it is a reload. So if I go in the chatbot, load from file. What? So load from file is reload is true. So when I call load stream session, it's true, this one. So is reload is true, so it should do that, but it didn't. Or it did, but something was wrong. Like the data was not good. It didn't do the user session either, right? No. Oh, game result. Oh, that's cool. So we see here all code, blah blah blah. Game result, object. I need the name, I think. It's the user session, right? So what's the object, a user session? I need the name. User. So here I need this and I need that. Yeah, okay, so at least that part will be fixed. So that should fix this problem. So, but when we save, okay, can I do a clear? No. Save to file. How do we save? No, now we're trying to do a load. So I'm just JSON parsing and sending back this info. So when I load from file, I session receive from server side. Did we see that? Did we saw that? No. But that will be on the so here I could do 003. And show the JavaScript log. Clear the. So load session. Here it should be like, I should change that. Load session now is not good anymore. No, like it's stream session, yeah. So project name. Instead of getting it back, yeah, here, that's why I was empty. So I should do that before then. Like, I know it's silly, but I prefer one that, like, it's obvious. Like all those objects, are they just like string or they are more raters? Yeah, like every time it's a property, so I will need to do the fancy loop that I did for the session, for the user session. Good to go. See you next time, Michael, and yes, I hope also I'll have good vacation. I will see, like I will still stream, so we'll see each other next week. But thanks. So I will need to do that for all of those. No, I think for the new user, that was just no, for the follow, I was doing the follow. Follow, it's just, yeah, okay, follow is just a collection, so I don't need, that's kind of the exception. Okay, so followers, it's fine. Raters, I will need more. So raters, data raters, new raters. Right. And the raters is user viewers. Where I am, I'm lost. Okay, I'm here. So key value. Okay, so save this, refresh. Let's do a save. Did anything else happen? Oh, I think Michael, no, Michael 67. All good. But here I have the project, so I should override. Voila. So now let's refresh here, property, refresh. So we lost now everything. So now if I do a load, and now if I do, let's do stop for fun, since it will. Didn't keep the project. But the user are there, the session are there. New follower didn't follow either. Oh, that's sad. And the game result, I have now the game result. That's cool. Though they are, yeah, they are sorted like from the worst to the best. And I lost nothing. All those other sections are not present anymore. Okay. It's not that great. It's not that great. I don't understand why the project and the new followers and everything didn't follow. Okay. Let's delete those files. Okay, let's go in the generate. So I have project info, stream node plus equal. Oh yeah, because I have just the score. I didn't have, but yeah, no, I should have like the new followers section. Because it didn't load them. Okay, so there's something wrong in the load. Okay, so we need to trace that. Ah, again the load. It's always the load. So that work. Okay, if we do this, save. Now let's take the backup. Oops, no. Take this backup and I will paste it in our session. Right here, I will, please go up. I will reload that page. Why are you going there? Oh, there it is. So now what I want to do is do a load. Load was type. This is not a reload. Ah, so like that's why it's not loading all the information. Ah, so my variable is not pass. Why? Why? Do you know? Do you know? Did someone catch that? So here, load. From file, I pass through here. Okay. So let's find in the cloudbot this function. So is reload is equal to true. Blah blah blah. Now I pass this. Oh, if it's okay, it's the other way around.
Alright!
Hey, thank you for the following. Hi, hard coding. Yeah, my logic is wrong. I need the other way around. In fact, if I didn't define it, so if it's undefined or null, I'm assuming, then it's false. Like it's completely the opposite. Yes, I want a default. What I was trying to do? I want to save the new follower, because until we fix the load, kind of screw here. Right? Yeah, Fragburn. Can I do this? No. Here. So if reload is not set, so it's should add the new follower here. Whoops. I should add it also in the backup. Right. So now I will refresh. I will refresh this one, and if I try to do a load again, now it's working. Cool. Okay, so now we could refresh this bad boy too. Refresh this and do a load. Okay, so now it's loaded. So now if I do stop, so at least nice. So we have the project. Any reason you're not using an arrow function? What? Because I don't know what an arrow function is. I'm learning Node, so I have no clue what you're talking about. Async, I know what it is. So here I definitely need an extra space. I think I need a... I'm not sure if I need... Is that correctly formatted? No, not new. I wanted this. Yeah, so I need a space. In all the... found the compound. project, and I want to double like this. The next one, and like that. The next one, and like that. Next one, and like that. No, the space is here. Oh, did I put it wrong all the way? No. Boom. Boom. Cool. No, don't apologize. Like, just explain and I will be happy to, That's a 60 C# formatting style. Probably, since I know C#. So, what part of the code were you referencing, iHard coding?
Alright!
Thank you for the following, Ultima Tumsy. Oh,
Alright!
thank you for the following, Luke. I'm maintaining also the manual version for today just in case we lose track since we're working on the chatbot while using it. Hey, thank you for the following. Like, so many new followers. What's happening? What's happening? I don't understand.
Alright!
And I just made it to like the first page. It's a continuous. Well, thank you everybody. Nathan, thank you for the following. Welcome aboard. No, I think if I was on the first page of Twitch, it will be a little bit more crazy than that. I think it will be just like, pff, not sure I want to be there. I don't think I can manage that. Not on this channel. When I'm on Microsoft channel, like I'm like doing my like something else, but here just like today, like learning, like I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so how can I know if I'm ES6? Because like that thing has been mentioned a lot of times, but I just don't know if I'm in that. What? I am? Nah. Seriously? No, you're joking. I cannot be on the first page of Twitch. Oh, okay. I think you may like. So it's based on what you look and everything, because yeah, like being on those channel on the top, like those are like they have like tons of like viewers at the same time. Like I'm a very like, you know, like 20k viewers, 200 viewers, 1.4k, like, you know, like I'm a tiny little streamer. But we learn a lot and we have a lot of fun. Yeah. Welcome to everybody. So yeah, it's true, TBD Gamer. So let's like we have a bunch of stuff. So we're working on a cloudbot. So cloudbot is CB here. It's a chatbot, Twitch chatbot, and I use this project as an excuse to learn JavaScript. I'm a C# developer. I work at Microsoft, and I do a lot of stuff Azure, so the Microsoft Cloud related. But we're having a game here you can play by doing !drop, and you will just be drop in the screen like that, and you try to land in the swimming pool. If you do, you will have a score, and the bot is keeping track of how many tentative you have and your best score. Also, what we are working today is at every stream I keep a bunch of notes what we did, like the timestamp, because when I archive the video on YouTube, like the timestamp will do a nice timeline and stuff like that. I want to add notes. I'm adding like the new followers, if someone subscribe, raid, cheers, like all those things, and of course the scores. So all that information is kept, and I use that in my notes. And then all the notes go on GitHub. Eventually I should have like a blog post or something that is a little bit more friendly than GitHub, but for now it's in GitHub. At least it's not lost, so it's there. And today we're working on generating that file here. But like in fact, since I'm using the bot while working on the code, we were trying to fix the load, because I save everything in a flat file, kind of just like a object dump, and I'm a French speaker, so that's why I have a strange accent here. So I have an object here, I just like drop it, and I'm trying to reload it, and it was not working. So we just fixed that. So now, in fact, if I do save, it should work, right? Yeah, see how many, like, wow, that's a lot of new followers. Did it cap the, yeah. That's cool. So if I do now stop, did we fix? Oh, I didn't refresh. Because like I'm expecting to have a space and a new line. Okay, so delete. Did I? Yeah, new followers. It's supposed to be here. So yeah. So and then okay, so what's E6 notation to create a new function? Should I Google it? Ah, that's why you're saying like arrow function. Function person. I don't understand. Oh, this. Instead of the work function, I would use the arrow. That's what you mean. You can always use the arrow function. It is more when you are doing callback and passing an anonymous function. Yeah. Well, I used that a few times. Like, I did use that expression a few times, but just not everywhere. Because sometimes I like I want things to be sequential. Okay, I didn't like the look of the my back is hurting. New project, the parachute. Because I could do something like this. Is that what you mean? I think I'm doing it wrong. Oh, it's parentheses, parentheses, and then no. Equal, parentheses, I'm missing an equal. I think I like the word function. Not sure, like, I think I like this way. Like, I should have instead the word function maybe here. That would be a little bit more conventional, like this. Maybe I should do that. You can also pass argument, like, yeah, like I do that a lot of time when I do with callback and stuff like that, but not everywhere, not all the time. Yeah, but yeah, so I want the name. But yeah, I could use function and like a little bit more. So now I kind of in between. That's maybe why. I just like have that because when I search for a function name, I could just like keep my eyes at the beginning of the line instead of reading the word function and then you need to read the second word and come back, and like when you're searching for something, that's why I put it that way. But like I'm using C# to have like, you know, public function blah blah blah, but yeah, just feel like it's easier this way to see the name. That's why I'm using this, and it's working. Like I couldn't do that in C#. Like that's one thing I like. So yeah, this thing is a function parameter blah blah blah. Okay, so now we could try to add notes or timestamp. Note should be easy. It'll just be a collection of string. The timestamp, like, it will be a mess because we'll play with time. Da, da, da. But notes, we could do that. I regret mentioning arrows. Don't. Don't. Just one sec. Strange. I heard some noise. I hope I'm not like a... How do you say that in English? A rubbler? Like someone is in my house. I heard noise, and I thought it was the dog who passed. I put like a kid barrier, and I thought like it passed through or whatever. But no, like it's sleeping on the other night, on the other room. Burglar. Thank you. Okay, so... So yeah, so what could be useful? We have the project. Oh yeah, we didn't set any goal, so we could have that. That could be cool. It's just like a goal. No, we have a status. So we'll be to do same thing. Sorry. Reference notes. But the thing I'm really looking forward is the timestamp. Let's try it. Let's try it. So what would be a good, not too complicated keyword for that? And I think I would let also you do it, like not only me, right? So what would be a command that makes sense? Yeah, command bonjour. So like timestamp, I feel like it's long. TP is short and it's not obvious. Time, maybe. So you type time and then like the description. Does it make sense? I'm using Config.js. It's a module created by InstaFluff. I think I have a reference here. Boom. Yeah, so you could do like time and then say, you know, starting to code this module, and like I'm expecting to have a timestamp. Yeah, okay, so let's do time. So time was typed in the chat, and everybody will be able to do that. And I have message and user. Yeah, I could. Yeah, let's do that. So so time. So I will say we'll say log time. Log time. We'll pass the message. And we'll pass the user. And I'm assuming if I'm doing it, F-Busheros will be there. Well, that should be good. Right? Right. So now if we go here at the end, because we had a new function, Twitch handling event, like let's move that section in the bottom. So let's do then this. So it's equal to a function, and then instead of this we want of course that. Whoops. Right. and log time will add a timestamp or a log time or a time log. Maybe a time log is log time and create a time log time, like it will be confusing, right? Well, yeah. So yeah, that's what we do. Because I will do then the class time log. So here, so we'll do a class time log, right? Boom. And we'll have a constructor, of course. And constructor will be user message and that's it. No. And time. So what I want is to create this thing here. So doing, let's say, time and then intro. What I want when I do the save or the generate the notes, I want it to create that, like it's a timestamp. It's to create. So when I publish my video, right? I think I have it here. Oh, we did create. Yeah, we did create. So if you can see here, like there's sections. That's done by the way I write the timestamp in the description, right? Because in fact the show notes, then I copy paste that mostly inside the description of YouTube. So when you write it like this, it generates the nice timestamp, because I think nobody will, like when you're there live, you could ask your questions, so like that's nice. Like you could stay and like, you know, do your stuff, and then like you hear something, like you jump back with me and stuff like that. But like on YouTube, like nobody will watch like a 2 hours video, but I want it there because sometime even me, I'm looking back, oh yeah, we did that, like I forgot, like and I look, so I want to use that thing to jump in the section I'm interested, until I do like a 10-minute version of my stream. But like I don't think I will do that. If I had like a guest or something, yes, but like just like that, no. So that's why I'm doing this. So I think it could be cool. So just before, let's say okay, let's start creating this, then like you'd say temp and starting creating the log, and then like, or like starting the deployment function, whatever, and then like it will generate this. That's what I'm trying to do. I would really work on uploading my stream to YouTube. You're not doing it right now, TBD Gamer? You should. Because it like you lose. I never do it. You could do it even automatically, depending how like. This one is a new channel that I start like beyond my cloud. Like I want to change all of it. Probably I will work on that during my vacation. We'll see. But that was intent, and like I have only 29 subscribers on that channel, but that was intent to share like a bunch of stuff, how to present when you're in front of camera, and like different things, like how to set up your lights, and like you know, behind the scene kind of thing, like what it is to be a cloud advocate or whatever, like traveling, like people think it's super cool or whatever, like, and then like not a vlog, but whatever. Like, it was for all the other stuff. So I created that channel, and now I'm uploading it here, because before I was doing that on my main channel, and it was just generating a bunch of noise.
Bonjour.
Because
Hi.
hey, who's
Welcome
just
to
joined
the channel.
Oh, that's me. I thought it was the bonjour from the chat action. So yeah, so here I was like, you know, like you're losing the capsule, where, like, you know, like when I do a video, it should be like a short answer to a technical question, not a long version. I was having good views, like, you know, 200 views and stuff like that. But the point was, I want that channel to be helpful. Like, so you search something, like, you get quickly to the answer. So that's why I move, and I should, like, there's no way to move stuff around in YouTube, so I would need to download that, upload it on the, like, so that's why it's still there. I could put it like unlisted or something and just keep the but whatever. So that's why I generate this channel. So depending, my point, TBD Gamer, is you should do it, except if you're having a very nice YouTube channel and you want to keep it clean. In this case, like, you should have maybe another one just for archiving, so this way your video are never lost. Bonjour. Yeah, kind of assume that. Thanks, this is David. Let's have a look. Oops. That's me.
Hi.
Hey, who's
Welcome
just
to
joined?
the channel.
Oh, that's me.
Hi.
Hey, who's just
Welcome to
joined?
the channel.
Oh, that's me.
Hi.
Hey, who's
Welcome
just
to the
joined?
channel.
Oh, that's me. Can I?
Hi.
Hey, who's just
Welcome
joined?
to the channel.
Oh, that's me. Okay. Well, I thought it was like the command bonjour, right? I thought someone said that. Bonjour. Hi. That's why I was saying, oh, like, who's there? I thought, you know, like, I don't know, Michael Jolie, you know, could have joined us, grace us to from his presence. Let's go. How can I? Oh, I'm hungry apparently. Download. I thought I could. Why can I not put it like save as highlight? Why? Oh, because I'm still streaming? No, save as highlight. Voila. Oh, that's me. Okay. Enough is enough. Hey, who's just joined the channel? Oh, that's me. It's strange. It didn't keep. Because. Hey, who's just joined the channel? Oh, that's me. Alright. Add a new light. Publish. Cool. Thanks. Was it that was David, right? Thanks, David. So anyway, so that's my 2 cents, TBD Gamer, for your YouTube stuff. And if you're not subscribe to my channel, you could do it. So I could have a nice name when I reach 100, because now it's 29. Though I'm not advertising enough this channel compared to my others. Anyway, so that's what I'm trying to do. So how much time do we have? We still have a little bit of time. So we have the user, because maybe I want to do something like that. I want the message That will be the text, and I want the time. So we will list that. So when we user message time. So here in our function create, I will do a stream session dot log time dot log time logs dot push, and then a new log time, and it was user the first user message and time. Right. And we need to create time, and then we need to create the collection. User message time. Was it user message time? I think I did it. User message time. Yeah, okay. And in our object here, we need to add this dot time log equal, and it's a collection, an array, right? And in the constructor also, boom, 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 boom. Right. And now what I need is the difference since we start in hour, minutes, second. Where is it? Here. So now what I need is the diff, like let time and it's the diff between. Okay, so how do you do that? So oh, that's the millisecond, and then I will need to compute it. There's no better yeah, okay, so you're just multiplying by ugh, that's ugly. And even then, oh, is it what I really want? It will be approximate. So let's do So when I was here and I created the date, how did I get a date? Just new date. Whoops. So I could say let current time, let's say, can I call it now? Call that this. Ah! And I'm assuming I need to convert back the date. Ah, that's the dog. And the robbler, the how do you say it again? Burglar is probably my daughter coming back. So now I need a date from a string. So a date parse. Oh, and I totally can do this. And here, in fact, what we want is the session, the stream session, and it's the start date time, no date, stream node start. So now we want the now. What? Tu fais vraiment la cochon? She just sound like a pig. She just. That was funny. So right. So now, if I want to calculate, and time could be a const also, right? So now let's make it super obvious. So I want the hour. I want the minutes. Minute. And I want the second. So it will be diff time. I should do it the other way around, right? So to find the second from the millisecond, I just need to do this and then multiply by 1,000, right? So then, since I have the second, the second here, what I need to do is multiply this by 60. And now, since I have minutes, I could do this multiply by 60 again. So now, the time I want is, in fact, let's say a new string. That will be str time, right? And that will be equal to single quote. No, the, how do you say that in backtick? Hey, Curious Drive, hello, welcome to the stream. Welcome aboard. So we'll do this. I need the $sign, I think, before, right? So now I do this. So I will do. Oh, though I need to buffer it with a double, I think. Did I say curry there? Like I say, I mean curious drive. Did I say curry? Sorry. Curious. Curious. I learned the actual name of for that symbol is grave. Oh, in French is an accent grave. Yes. So if I put hour and then this and then minutes and then second CUDBD, I'm mostly done. Same for me. No meeting, but mostly done. So now we have that. And we should definitely log it.
Alright!
Thank you for the following, the extreme person. I think it's a cool name. The extreme person is joining the stream. Welcome aboard. Welcome. We will be wrapping up soon. Find someone to raid. Let's log this. And we'll do... Right. So, can I test it right away? So if I do time and I do test. Ah, I didn't refresh, so let's refresh. And if I do it again, time. No, was it time? Yes, it was time. And then test. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, the dollar sign was... I did it wrong. The dollar sign goes just before the... Oh yeah, I'm here. So it should be here, dollar sign, and dollar sign in here between curly brackets. And thank you for the following, GS46 Live. Welcome aboard. $6.46 live. Welcome aboard. Cool. So now. Hour, yes. Minutes, yes. Second, yes. Hopefully that work. So let's try again. Boom. And if I do time, oh yeah, but I didn't start any project. Anyway, no. Yeah, because I didn't load anything. So I need to do stop. So now session is saved. Stream session. Ooh, stream session. We lost everything. But we had a backup. But I have a bunch of followers to add though. Did we have the new followers? Yeah, so I have this. So yeah, I think we'll wrap it up there, people. So who should we stream? Let's find someone to stream. Let's close this. Let's put a new page to run the credits. Thanks to all the new followers. Thank you. It's always a pleasure. And well, Frank, come on, like keep the black thing here. Let's try to find someone that we can raid. And if you have any suggestions, livecoders.dev and then Twitch. And
No longer an official.
who is
They're not super great. I think they're better.
game
now.
dev? That could be cool.
Izzy, that was.
GTA? Nope, not GTA. Let's
people aren't
go
supposed to see
see.
this. Hello, Kirby Sir. Hello, Kraida.
Why the sound is still playing? Cool. So let's see a dev game. That will be interesting. Where is my raid button? Raid channel. Boom. Voila. So welcome. So next week I am in vacation, but I think I will be streaming. So I should Wednesday stream. I think, pretty sure. If no, follow me on Twitter. Twitter was somewhere, or it's on the bottom. And Friday, again, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure. I want to stream. I'm just not sure where exactly what it will be. I will try to keep my schedule. We'll try to continue. Thank you again for all of you follow me today. It was pretty cool. I think we did a nice progression, pretty close to have like a nice notes. I will copy paste the new followers and all the information that we have for the scores, and we'll continue from there next week. Bye bye.